is how to open up Explorer to a full window size. Sometimes when we open up Explorer, by default it goes to a small window, and the reason for this is because it remembers the last size that it was open to when it closed. Now you might think that you had it open to a full-size screen, but sometimes we have pop-ups and other windows that we don't know are running. If we have a pop-up blocker, or when they open up into these small windows, what happens is Explorer closes and it remembers the size of those small windows, and every time you open up Explorer it's going to open up to that size. So what we need to do in order to restore the size of the Explorer when we open it up is we're going to find a link on the web page. Any link. When our cursor changes, we know that we're on a link, and we're going to right click and we're going to click on open in a new window. So now we'll have two instances of Internet Explorer running. We're going to close the old one, the first one that was open, and we're going to go to the original one, and what we're going to do is we're going to manually increase the size of the window. When we drag the window, it's important to manually drag the window and not just click on the top right corner of expand the window size. Even though clicking on that will do it automatically, we have to manually drag the window to increase its size to the full screen. In other words, we're going to go to the corners and our cursor is going to change into an arrow, and we're going to drag those arrows until the Explorer window fits the whole size of the screen. And then we're going to close the window while we hold the Control tab. So when we close it, it's not enough just to close it by the red X. We have to hold down the Control tab and close the window, and we'll see that the next time that we open up Explorer, it's going to open up to the full size of our screen.